Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up two-factor authentication 2FA for account security in Binance. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Binance application and tap on your settings on the top right. Or you could also simply tap on profile and then click on the settings tab. As you can see, then you're going to be taken to this menu where you want to simply go ahead and select security. And finally, once you've done that, you can add your 2FA method like Binance, Google Authenticator, SMS, email, Authenticator app, and so on. I highly recommend the Authenticator app as well. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and link and backup key is going to be shown to you right over here. Simply go ahead and click on next. Keep all these codes right over here, generate the code, and then enter it right over here and finalize it. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.